We are once again in the season of New Yam Festival celebration in Igbo land, when Igbo people across the globe gather to honor the New Yam. This year, I had the privilege of celebrating with the people of Mbaise, courtesy of Eagle Aromatic Schnapp, your number one prayer drink, Manye Jagofo. The New Yam Festival celebration Iriji is a vibrant celebration of harvest, tradition and thanksgiving to God for the blessing of the land. Thanks to Eagle Aromatic Schnapp for sponsoring this trip and making it possible for me to witness this vibrant and colorful festival.
Country 5.